Hey guys, we're going to do an unboxing today of a Standard Horizon HX300 marine transceiver. I've had quite a few handheld radios over the years as a ham radio operator. Yaesus, ICOMs, stuff like that. I actually received this as a gift since we're going to be just getting a boat this year, so we're just going to open it up and take a look at it and throw some tests at it and see how it stands up. So just open this box. Owner's manual right on top. Not gonna need that. Alright, this looks like the transceiver. Feels really light. Doesn't look like the battery's really in it yet. So let's see. Yeah, I can use that. Seems like a nice clear display. Antenna. Little rubber ducky we got. It's not open. Alright. Let's toss that on here. So you got a mic input there, your speaker's right there, which is good. It's always right on the front where you're going to be looking into it and talking into it. So we got some controls here. Seems fairly basic. Comes with weather radio, which I've really liked. It's good to handy. Imagine to have it on the boat. It's great when you're out camping for sure. Charging port is right here. Looks like a standard mini USB connector. Take care of your charging. Push to talk is on the side. Let's keep moving through this. Plop this out. Wow, the battery's really light too. I mean, this thing is supposed to float, so it's 1800 milliampere hours. So pop this battery open somehow. Good rubber seal on the outside of this. Slide that in there. And we'll pop that back in here like that and latch it. Alright, so how's it feel? I'll compare it to this Yaesu handheld. This is a $80 Yaesu handheld, so about the same price range as this Standard Horizon. This is definitely heavier, smaller, probably why it doesn't float. And I'm pretty sure it's not rated to any waterproofing, but the build quality of this thing definitely feels more stout than this thing. This one feels kind of chintzy, but smaller battery, a lot smaller battery considering the Yaesu's battery is this entire portion and the Standard Horizon just has this small location, so it only makes sense. And you're not going to have as many options as you would with a regular amateur radio. And let's see what else is in here. We got USB charger. I'm sure the instructions will tell you to only use theirs, but who knows. I'm going to use whatever I have. Yep, there's a cable. And a clip, which is important. Good news is supposedly, I think when this hits water, it's supposed to automatically click on cord. And it's actually got a 12-volt car charger, which is quite handy. Because usually you'll be going to the boat in a car. And you won't have it charged because you never will. Right? Awesome. No. We'll throw a few tests at it and we'll see how it performs. Alright guys, we're just gonna turn this on and go through some of the functions. Alright. Hold it, turn it on. Orange backlit screen, orange backlit buttons on a timer. I haven't actually charged this up yet, but we're just gonna play around with it and check it out. See, looks like we got volume control here. Supposedly it's supposed to be really loud. It is very loud, like 2 or 3 times louder than my handhelds for ham radio, which I kind of wish I had. And then you have the squelch control here. And because we're in my basement, we're not going to get crap unless we have to squelch all the way down. So, but that's how you get those 2 controls. This is the hold it to get to the weather channels. see if we can actually hear something.
Most likely.
There we go.
Breezy. Lows in the mid-50s. Highs in the upper 50s. West wind 15-25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows.
Alright, so this looks to be your lock button. If you hold it, it locks the keypad, so you can't press anything, which is good if you have it in your pocket or you move it around on the boat. So we'll disable that again, holding it. These are likely some preset channels. Probably won't use those. Here's your scan function. We'll go back to there. I wonder what that does. Alright. Well, those are the basic functions at the very least. I'm sure if we check out the manual, there's probably some other functions I'm missing. But let's go do some other testing on this. Alright guys, we're here in my bathroom for our last and final test because it's way too freaking cold outside and I ain't going in the water, so here we have it. Another thing I'd like to point out before I toss this in here, the charging port is actually sealed, so that is good. Now, from the box it says it'll light up when you throw it in the water. Not sure if it has to be on or off, but we're gonna find out right now. Look, it turned right on in the water, and it floats. That's pretty neat. So, what happens if we turn it on, and it works underwater. Alright, it's a pretty trick. We'll leave it in here for a little bit just to make sure it does stay waterproof. Because when you're out on your boat, if that thing stops working and you're in the water, you're not going to have a good time. So. I mean, that was a couple minutes now. I think we'll pull it out of the water. Let's see if the light turns off by itself. And there we go, it turned off. Wonder where the sensor is, but... Alright, so that's the Standard Horizon Floating HX300 marine transceiver put to the test.